In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Google Drive seamlessly. This step-by-step guide will ensure you have a smooth experience integrating these two powerful tools, allowing for efficient management and access to your files. Let's begin by opening your Notion workspace. Once you're in your workspace, locate the page where you want to add your Google Drive files. Remember, Notion organizes your workspace into pages, giving you the flexibility to manage content efficiently. Once you're on your desired page, it's time to add some magic by linking your Google Drive documents. To get started, click on the section where you'd like your Google Drive file to appear. On your keyboard, press the / key, which will trigger a drop-down menu with a range of options. In this menu, you'll find various commands and embedding options. To locate Google Drive quickly, start typing Google Drive into the menu, and you should see it pop up. Click on the Google Drive option and a dialog prompting you to connect Google Drive will appear. This is an important step because Notion needs permission to access your Google Drive files. Go ahead and click on the button. Now, you'll be taken to a Google authentication page, where you will need to sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Choose the account containing the files you want to access, and grant Notion the permissions it needs to connect. Once you've finished the authentication process, you'll be redirected back to your Notion page. You should see a dialog with two options, Attach a File and Browse Google Drive. Select Browse Google Drive to open a new window displaying your Google Drive contents. This empowers you to browse through your folders effortlessly and select the exact file you want to embed. Once you've located the desired file, click on it and then the Select button. This will embed a link or a preview of the file directly into your Notion page, depending on the file type. It's worth noting that documents might appear with their icons and a direct link, while slideshows or PDFs often provide a handy visual preview. To make this setup even more efficient, consider organizing your files within Google Drive before linking them in Notion. This will save you time and hassle searching for files every time you need to connect another one. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to connect Notion and Google Drive, enhancing your productivity by keeping your documents easily accessible. So whether you're managing a team or simply keeping your personal projects in order, this integration serves as a powerful tool in your workflow. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your newfound organizational prowess with Notion and Google Drive.